Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to integrate Stripe payment integration in ASP.NET MVC. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. First up, you're going to head over to your Stripe dashboard and then you're going to install the Stripe library in your Visual Project using the install package stripe.net, and then you're going to add the namespace where you want to implement the payment gateway. And to implement it, you need to play with like several classes, so you're going to follow each step. And to connect with Stripe, you need a key, which is a publishable key that you can get from a dashboard.stripe.com/account into API keys, right? So and then what you are going to do is set up the API key with the function below, as you can see this one, and then you have to create an object of a credit card. So this thing, you can see it, take a screenshot, and then you're going to copy paste it, and then you're going to assign the token, and then you're going to create the charge object, everything. Just put all of this into your account, just this code, and then you'll see that under customers you have created a customers, and you can like make the payment using this link, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.